morning, students. Today we have to discuss balanced and unbalanced force. So, what are the balanced force and other the unbalanced force? What is balanced force? If the resultant force of all the forces acting on a body or a system is zero, then the forces are called as the balanced forces. Means if object is acted upon by the different forces, more than two forces, and if you find the net force acting on the object is zero, in that cases the forces are to be told as the balanced forces. And balanced forces produces zero acceleration. It doesn't produce the acceleration. So for example, if you talk about the balanced forces, you take one block and the block is kept on the table and you are pushing the block by means of the two forces. This is the F1 and this is the F2, and these forces are of pushing the block in both in opposite direction. And if you observe block, it was at rest before on the table. If you observe that block is not moving in any of the direction, and in that cases F1 and F2 are to be told as the balanced forces. These forces are to be told as the balanced forces. Balanced forces, and observation is that acceleration equal to zero. It is not moving in any of the direction. Or net force, how much it will be? The F net will be equal to zero. So in that cases F1 and F2 are to be told as the balanced forces. It doesn't mean that the only two forces will be acting on the object. It may be three also. Suppose in that cases another block is here. One is pulling along that direction. Here it is in this direction. And if you talk about the here in this direction and in this direction, four forces are acting on the block. All are pulling by means of the F1, F2, F3 and F4. And if you are finding the block is not moving in any of the direction, if the block as it was at rest, it will be remain at rest, then it is to be told as the balanced force. Means here what you are finding, acceleration equal to zero and F net, the net force acting on the block is zero. So in these cases F1, F2, F3, F4 are to be told as the balanced forces. These are making the block or the body balanced and it doesn't produces any acceleration in any direction. So the important thing is that balanced force doesn't produces acceleration and the net force becomes zero, and this type of forces are to be told as the balanced forces. Another example you can tell it as the for the second unbalanced forces. You talk about what are the unbalanced forces. If the resultant force of all the forces acting on the body is not zero, simply write not zero, then the forces are to be told as the unbalanced forces. Same manner you take it as here. Suppose a block is kept on the table. And the one force is acting along this direction F1, another force is acting in opposite direction F2, and the object was at rest. And if you are observing that the object is moving towards right, suppose if it is moving towards right, the object is moving towards right, in this case F1 is greater than F2, and F1 minus F2 becomes the net force. That is the net force equal to F1 minus F2, and the object is moving towards right in this case. That means the object is accelerating. Acceleration is there. Then F1 and F2 to be told as the unbalanced force. So by application of unbalanced force, the object will be moving, will be accelerating in a particular direction. In the same manner also, suppose the object, first initially the object is here and the object is moving with a constant speed v. Object is moving with constant speed v in a straight line, in a single direction, constant speed the object is moving. It is having the same velocity, uniform velocity. So what will happen if you apply the different type of forces here? If the forces are applied here, different angle you apply the forces, and if the object doesn't change its speed or the direction, in that cases the object is to be told as the balanced force. You should not be confused about the balanced and unbalanced force by the application of the different type forces. If many number of forces are acting on the object, and if the object If it is initially at rest, if it by the application of the balance force, if it remains at the rest, then you tell these are the balance forces. In other cases also you tell if the object is moving with uniform speed in a single direction, in a straight direction, straight line motion, and by the application of the different forces, if it doesn't change its speed and the direction, in that cases also we tell that balance forces. And it is clear that the balance forces doesn't produce acceleration, the net force acting on it is zero, the unbalanced forces produces acceleration, and the net force is not zero, and the forces, some amount of forces, the net forces will be acting on the object, which will produce the acceleration. This is all about the balanced and unbalanced forces. Thank you.